Today's science tells us that by eating pork, there are high chances of having atherosclerosis. Today's science tells us that if you eat pig regularly, you may have hypertension. That's the reason more than 50% of the Americans today, they're suffering from hypertension because most of them are pig eaters. Today's science tells us that one of the most filthiest animal on the face of the earth is the pig. Wherever you find dirt and filth, you'll find the pig there. Today's science also tells us that pig is one of the most shameless animal on the face of the earth. Pig today is one of the most shameless animal on the face of the earth. It enjoys seeing its spouse, seeing its mate have sex with his friend. In the Western countries, we have dance parties. After dance parties, we are swapping of wives. You sleep with my wife, I sleep with your wife. Do you think it's modest? And there is a scientific thing that you eat pig and you behave like pig.
And look at the habit of this one. There are certain points in pig which make it really such an animal which nobody would like to even consume, because according to medical reports there are certain diseases which are created as a result of continuous use of this animal, this meat, and there are some worms and further germs as well created in the intestines for which there is no relief discovered at this time. So people say it could be very dangerous, and this is one thing. And also this animal is very, something very much different from other animals, because it is described to be homosexual in its practice. And that is something which is a very bad habit. And look at the society today. I mean, this is some of the things which always people say this should not be there in a pure society. But if people are making use of the flesh of such animals, then as a result of this, it is also established that some of these traits of those animals, they gradually come into the genes and to the habits of the people. So this is also one aspect of that, and that is related with the spiritual reason why Islam has, God Almighty in His infinite mercy and wisdom has taught us that people should abstain. Otherwise this spiritual loss will be there and a bad habit will come into the people.
Because unfortunately now science, this fitna that we call science, wallahi it's a big fitna, man. Big fitna. Science and scientists are slowly replacing Allah and His Prophet. They're slowly replacing Allah and His Prophet in the eyes of many Muslims. The problem with these arguments is this. Is if I tell someone that look, pig is haram, it's prohibited because it has a bacteria, no matter how much you cook it and boil it and you can never get rid of it. If this brother says to me, mate, what if we can come up with a pig that we put together in the lab and we can guarantee you that there's no bacteria in it? Would you eat it? But you said we don't eat it because of the bacteria. Can I eat it if there's no bacteria in it? Habibi, if you take it to the lab or you take it to Jahannam, it's haram because Allah said it's haram. And that's where it ends. I have submitted completely to God, the Lord Almighty. He told me stay away from it, so I stay away from it. It's good, there's benefits, it tastes amazing, it's worms, dude, bacteria, doesn't matter to me. My Lord has told me stay away, I stay away. Why don't we eat it? Because Allah said so, and that's it.